Quek. We are here in Singapore and I'm going to show you where the Crazy Rich Asians hang out. So we're at the Marina Bay Sands and it is one of the iconic attractions of Singapore. If you want to impress your friends, bring them here. It's got a great view, especially from Tel Aviv. The real Crazy Rich Asians actually come to Marina Bay Sands, especially for the food and also casinos. They've got a lot of celebrity chef restaurants that serve really awesome food. International cuisine, you name it, we have it. Right now we're in 1880, an exclusive members club. Let me take you around. I fell in love with this place immediately. I love the decor. When we come here, we actually bring our business clients as well. They are actually able to do a manicure. The men were able to shave, and then we can have drinks after and have a nice dinner till late at night, and it becomes like a mini club. I think the people who come here are like movers and shakers of Singapore. Could be expats, could be, Crazy Rich Asians. I think the interiors kind of bring people together. It's a great place to socialize. I think Lau Pa Sat, it's actually a great food attraction in Singapore because we Singaporeans love our food. Food brings Singaporeans together, and Lau Pa Sat is one of the historical places where they bring in like the best dishes, be it chicken rice or laksa or nasi lemak or Indian rojak. It just brings all the cultures together, whether you're a local, you're a foreigner, even after, you could be after work, after a night out in your fanciest outfits, or just after gym, like you can always have a bite over there.